people. I'm glad to see you today. I know that you noticed this piece of paper today, because today we're going to make some paper airplanes. I got 7 emails on the jet paper airplane, and I can understand this jet paper airplane is really hard to make. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple airplane. First, you just fold it one time like a hot dog bun, corner to corner. And then the same thing, you open it up and fold it until it's a house. So it turns into a house. And then, like always, you just fold it up like a little ramp up here and a walking step and some sidewalk up here. Then, to make the wings, you just flap it up so it looks like a rectangle. And then do that on both sides. And look what you get. A rectangle with a ramp on it. Pull up the wings. And then you have a paper airplane. This so you don't poke anyone's eye. Fold up the tip. So it's flat. Then you have a genuine paper airplane. See you soon. Can you please turn the camera off?
I sure will. You guys done learning how to make a paper airplane?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for having us. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Design.